Hey friend, welcome to English with Nate. My name is Nate. In this video, we're going to be talking about the word reprimand. I'm going to provide some definitions for the word reprimand. We're going to check out how you use the word reprimand in a sentence. And then after that, we will practice pronunciation together so you can say the word reprimand correctly when using it in everyday conversations. And please wait to the end of this video because there will be a small homework assignment for you to practice using the word reprimand. Let's get started. Definitions. As a verb, the word reprimand means to scold or criticize someone, especially in a formal or official way. The word reprimand means to scold or criticize someone, especially in a formal or official way. So if you scold somebody, if you criticize somebody, you're identifying something that they have done wrong. So if you reprimand somebody, you are telling them that they have done something wrong, but in an official way or a formal way. As a noun, the word reprimand is the act of scolding or criticizing someone. The act of scolding or criticizing someone. Just as a reminder, a verb is the word that is the action or state of being in a sentence. One more time. A verb is the word that is the action or state of being in a sentence. A noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. A noun is a person, place, thing, or idea. Let's check out some example sentences so we better understand how to use the word reprimand. Example number 1. The manager reprimanded the employee for being late to work. The manager reprimanded the employee for being late to work. Example number 2. Samantha received a written reprimand for her rude behavior. Samantha received a written reprimand for her rude behavior. Example number 3. The principal reprimanded the students who disrupted the school assembly. The principal reprimanded the students who disrupted the school assembly. Example number 4. Despite the harsh reprimand, he continued to argue his point. Despite the harsh reprimand, he continued to argue his point. Now it's time for us to practice pronouncing the word reprimand together. Repeat after me. Reprimand. 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 Great job, friends. If you need to continue pronouncing the word reprimand, repeat this part of the video. If you like learning English with me, be sure to click the like button, subscribe, and for your homework assignment, add a comment to this video. I want you to write a sentence using the word reprimand, and I will be sure to check out your sentence